Who did this? Oh?
Three burgers? Don't you point at that dog. You have ketchup on your whiskers. I'm not listening. You're both in trouble.
Who broke the eggs? Come on, who did it? Oh my gosh! Look at her face!
Ow.
What happened? Buddy, did you step on him? Teddy, what did you do? Look at this mess. No, sir, you don't dump flour on the cat. Bad boy.